Leaks are the last thing anyone wants. And when they're hard to spot, they can mean major problems. So we have a solution. This little device is a Hive Leak Sensor. And there are lots of ways it can give you peace of mind. It keeps an eye on the water flowing around your home. And if there's a potential leak, we'll notify you. Then the Hive app can help you find the problem and connect you with a plumber if needed. It's perfect for preventing water damage. The Hive Leak Sensor notices small but steady flows of water in your home. So, if it's a dripping tap or a leak somewhere hidden, you're aware of any unnecessary water you might be using and paying for. It also spots unusually high amounts of water flowing around your house. That could be a bath left running, or it could be a burst pipe. Whatever it is, we'll help you look into it and help you sort it. The Hive Leak Sensor is really simple to set up. You don't need to be a plumber. You just need between 5 and 15 minutes max. First, open the app so it can help you find your stop tap, which is usually located under the kitchen sink. Then it'll help you connect the sensor to Wi-Fi and show you where to clip it on. So you can stop little leaks becoming big problems. Hive. Let's get living.